It's April 9th, evening time. I just wanted to catch the bird sounds, the free bird. I should have caught this earlier because they quiet down at night, but now they're just singing their chorus. There's a free bird. Free? That's a partridge or a dove. But there's no pear tree here. That's magnolia. You hear the dove? Honestly, I'm just moving my hand because I'm really listening to the sounds. It's not really about the video, it's more about the sounds. Because it probably makes no sense as you watch me pan what I'm doing. I have no idea. I'm just moving around as I listen to the birds. There'll be a moment where they're quiet. And then in the summertime, there'll be bugs that replace that. That's a neighbor, I think. I don't know where that sound came from. It's not a bird, obviously. Human. That's a bird. So beautiful listening. Finally, the human noise stopped. Wow, I wish it would have started this video when that stopped. Anyway, I'm about to end this. This is long enough with that clutter that was going on. And I got clutter in the house. What's going on? Obviously, humans are clutter makers.